What I'm about to share with you will completely change your manifesting process for good. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Mary Kate and I'm a mindset coach, manifesting expert, and founder of mkmagicmindset.com. If you're new here, my channel is all about law of attraction, manifesting, meditations, and more, so be sure to subscribe. We would love to have you. In today's video, I want to share with you a really powerful technique that will take you from where you're currently at to where you want to be, and I call it shifting to center. So I'm sure you've heard that in order to manifest the things you want, you have to think from, act like, and become the version of yourself that already has it. But I find that a lot of people really struggle with what that means or how to successfully do that. How do you feel like you're a millionaire when you can't even pay your bills? How do you feel like you're working at your dream job when you're going to a job you hate? It kind of feels like a huge leap to make. And because that leap feels so big, a lot of people give up and give up too soon. So when you're told to think from and act like the version of yourself who already has the things that you want, it all comes down to subconscious programming. What it really comes down to is shifting your energy into believing that what you want is already yours. There is so much that goes into subconscious programming. I've been studying the subconscious mind for well over a decade because I am truly fascinated by it. Because when you understand how to program your subconscious mind, you have the ability to manifest everything that you want. There is nothing that is off limits. So this exercise I'm going to show you will help you program your subconscious mind to accept that new reality of what you want as true. Don't worry, this isn't going to be a whole lesson on subconscious programming right now. I actually dive way deeper into all of that inside my digital course called Abundance Academy. And inside Abundance Academy, I will share with you my 7-step manifesting process, the 3 pillars of manifesting, and how to manifest based on your unique learning type and your personality. It's truly groundbreaking because I share with you techniques that will work for you based on your learning type and personality. We even go over subconscious sabotage and what to do when your manifesting process isn't working. There is tons of information in there. So if you're interested, I'll leave a link up here and a link down below, but let's jump right into this exercise. So this first circle is going to represent your current reality. So we'll put a CR. This is your current reality. This is where you're at now. This is the job you have right now. This is the house you have right now, the relationship. This is everything that is in your current reality right now as you're watching this video. This is where you are in this circle. This circle is going to represent your desired reality. So we'll put a DR. So simple enough. Here is your current reality where you are right now as you're watching this video, and here is your desired reality. So in your desired reality, this is where whatever it is that you want to happen is. This is the version of yourself that has all of the things that you want, your desired reality. So very simple. Current reality, desired reality. Magic. So in your current reality, you have your thoughts, behaviors, feelings, and beliefs. These all influence you staying in your current reality. This is what your subconscious mind continues to believe is true over and over again, and it keeps you in this little bubble over here. It keeps you in your current reality. Believe it or not, your thoughts, behaviors, feelings, and beliefs determine what you see in your reality. So essentially what you want to do is get your current reality thoughts to your desired reality, and your current behaviors to your desired reality, your current feelings and beliefs to your desired reality. Here's where you are now, and here is where you want to be. So how do you shift your thoughts, behaviors, feelings, and beliefs into your desired reality? How does that work? That is the magic of subconscious programming. So what I want you to notice in this little diagram is this middle section right here. This big open space in between your current reality and your desired reality. This is how you're going to transform from where you are to where you want to be. This space is where the magic happens. Let me erase these notes and I'll show you what to do. So here is what it's going to look like. You are going to make 4 of these circle diagrams. 1 for thoughts, 1 for behaviors, 1 for feelings, and 1 for beliefs. These 4 things are all part of subconscious programming that is designed to shift you from your current reality to your desired reality. So what I want you to do is start with your current reality thoughts. What are thoughts that you have right now about the thing you intend to manifest? So right here, you're going to write your current thoughts. So list out all of your current thoughts, things you think right now. Be honest with yourself about what you intend to manifest. See where your thoughts are right now about actually having the thing you intend to manifest. So now for your desired reality bubble, what I want you to do is write down the thoughts that the version of yourself who had the thing that you want would be thinking. What thoughts would you be thinking if you already had the thing you want? If you had the job, the relationship, the house, the money, whatever it is that you want, What thoughts would you be thinking if you already had that? So this will be your I have it thoughts. So we have your current thoughts and your I have it thoughts. So in this center part where the magic happens, you are going to connect the two. You are going to see how you can bridge your current thoughts to the I have it thoughts. A lot of the times, if you go straight to the I have it thoughts, your subconscious mind isn't actually going to believe it's true. So while you might be saying the I have it thoughts, you're still thinking the I don't have it thoughts. So what you want to do is start gradual. Start building on your current thoughts until you get to the point of I have it thoughts. Your feelings don't lie, your energy doesn't lie. So if you just start saying the thoughts from the version of yourself that already has it, you don't actually believe that's true because your subconscious mind doesn't believe it yet. So what you're doing here is you're starting to program your subconscious mind to believe that what you want is actually here. So now we're essentially going to do the same thing for behaviors, feelings, and beliefs. You're going to start with your current behaviors and list out all of your current behaviors, what you have right now, good or bad, regarding what it is that you intend to manifest. And in the desired bubble, you're going to put the I already have it behaviors. What behaviors would you have if you already had the thing that you want to manifest? And sometimes this one's tricky because a lot of people are like, well, what behaviors are you talking about? I'm talking about what you would do, how you would behave, who you would hang out with, who you would associate with, what you would purchase at the store. There are so many different things that go into behaviors. So just kind of dive deep into behaviors you're noticing in yourself currently and behaviors of what the version of yourself would already have. How would you act? How would you behave if you had the thing that you wanted? So this is the center point again, and you're going to build on your current behaviors, things you can start building on now, so that you can start behaving like the version of yourself that already has it. You don't want to just jump right into the behaviors of somebody else who has it because you might not be ready for that yet. You're building the bridge and transitioning and letting your subconscious mind accept it as true. So you're going to do the same thing with your feelings. You have your current feelings and you have your I have it feelings, and in the center you're going to build on your current feelings and see how you can feel into having the thing that you already want. This one I find is really fun. When I talk about manifesting, when I talk about subconscious programming, I always say to follow your feelings. Because no matter what you believe, your feelings aren't going to lie. When you can match your feelings to something that you intend to manifest, you can attract it so much more quick. Your feelings are your guide to if you're on the right track. Follow what feels good. Do you ever notice that when you're manifesting something and you come from that place of like desperately trying and forcing, you don't know if it's going to happen and you're worried about it happening, you need it to happen, and just that doesn't feel good. That's not following your feelings. If you're on that path, you're blocking yourself from having it. So the way you know that you're on the right path for manifesting is following your feelings, and you want to feel good. The more you feel good, the more you know you're in alignment with what you want to manifest. If you feel kind of desperate and all over the place, that's not being in alignment, and that's not going to get you what you want. And this is a big one. Your beliefs. Deeply, deeply rooted into your subconscious programming. And science has shown that most of your subconscious programming has taken place within the first 7 years of your life. So those first 7 years of your life were so unbelievably crucial. That's where you learned most of your programming and deep-rooted beliefs. So if you notice any patterns of the people who raised you, your siblings, your community, where you grew up, how you grew up, a lot of that has to do with your beliefs and your subconscious programming from the first 7 years of your life. And inside Abundance Academy, I show you how to shift a lot of that programming so you can start manifesting the things you want. Because your programming determines what you see in your reality. So it's really, really important to get clear on what your beliefs are. If you don't truly, fully believe you can have something, you're not going to be able to have it. You have to fully believe that it's yours and fully believe that it's possible. Even if you just decide to believe in miracles, you have to fully believe, and then you'll start seeing it. So start with your current beliefs, and then write down your I have it beliefs. It's already mine beliefs. And then see in this middle part how you can shift from your current beliefs to your I have it beliefs. Your belief that you know it's already yours and you don't even have to think about it or ask for it anymore because you know it. You know it's yours, you've locked it in, it's done. This exercise is so powerful because it takes you from where you're at to where you want to be, and it does it in a way that builds upon itself. In all of these center parts, what you're essentially doing is programming your subconscious mind. You're acknowledging where you're at right now, you're acknowledging where you want to be, and you're filling in the gaps in the center from how you get from your current reality to your desired reality. Try out this exercise and leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notifications to get notified whenever I post a new video. And be sure to follow my Instagram at mkmagicmindset. There you'll find tons of daily affirmations and some really fun energetic work to play with each day. And be sure to check out my website, mkmagicmindset.com. There you can find out more about my digital course, Abundance Academy, where we dive deeper into subconscious programming, and you learn how to manifest based on your learning type and your personality. And you'll also find my other digital courses and law of attraction resources and so much more. So be sure to check that out, and I will see you in the next one.